Are you tired of logistics issues disrupting your operations? In today's fast-paced market, you need a dependable partner. At PT, Mandiri Mahia Ekspres, we provide secure storage solutions. Our smart inventory management is tailored to your unique needs. When you partner with us, enjoy reliable distribution every time. Every order is packaged with precision, ensuring top-notch quality. We deliver on time, without delays or surprises. Receive continuous updates, keeping you in the loop. Our cutting-edge technology enhances transparency in logistics. We prioritize your business with a client-focused approach. Benefits like increased efficiency and peace of mind await you. Why choose us? We exceed industry standards consistently. Our dedication to service makes us stand out from competitors. Ready to transform your supply chain? Visit our website and discover how we can help. Contact PT, Mandiri Mahia Ekspres now and elevate your logistics.